An Eyste. Wow. I guess for anyone listening, is particularly a younger person who is starting off in a career or careers, whatever. First of all, I'll say this, two Eystes. One is if you're 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and you don't know what you want to be yet, you're getting, I'm getting a degree, but is that it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't worry about it. Yeah, you hopefully have another 80 years ahead of you. And you don't have to know everything at your freshman year, and you don't have to know everything at your senior year. In fact, if you say that you don't know, that you still have a lot to learn in your senior year, that's what you really learned, is how much you don't know. And so don't be afraid to try a career, whether it's Yiddish study, whatever it is, whatever you go into, music, arts, doctor, lawyer, human services. But if after 10 years or 15 years you say, you know what, I did that, but can I do another career? Why not? You guys, if you're listening to me, you're a different generation. There's not that one generation, you get your degree and you stay that way for 50 years and you retire. No, I've had many different careers. They're kind of all together in a ball of wax, I guess. But people also, so what do you do? Yeah, I mean, people used to now I can say, well, I'm a professor, but I do this. Because when I had the professor job, like, we don't kind of, well, I do this, I do that. I combine them all together. So that's one piece of advice. Don't settle. If you have one career and you love it, great. First of all, be passionate about it. Everyone tells you that. The other thing, as I'd say, is if you want to do something that seems a bissel meshugge, bissel crazy, travel somewhere, try a career, anything that's off the beaten track, and people say, "Ay, Gewalt, you're nuts. You can't do it. You don't have the language. You don't have the degrees. You don't have the coursework behind you. You haven't read enough. Don't." You're always polite, say thank you, and walk the other way and do it. Because if I had waited for professors to say, now you have your degree in ethnography, Yale. Now, your master's degree. Now you can go and do your field research. Guess what? Some of those people that I did and I didn't wait, they're dead. They would have been dead. We don't have time. Now, certain things, people are time sensitive, particularly if you're 80 years and above. So that's the big, do what your heart says. And I tell high school students today, if anyone says, no, you shouldn't, whatever, that's hard, it's different, you can't make a living, you can't make a living, you'll be struggling. Thank you. Always be polite and do it. Now, they may be very well true. You may not make a living. It may be difficult, but then you've decided after 5 6, you made the choice. Don't let them do that. So that's the Eyste from Yitzchak ben David v'Pesavera Strom.